is a great song by Tears for Fears. Capo on the 2nd fret using 4 chords. We're using an E minor, we're using a G, we're using a D, and we're using an A. Rhythm I use all the time. E minor, G, to D, to A. All around me, a million places, so that keeps looping round. It's quite easy on the ear, and it's a great exercise of E minor across to G, down to D, up to A. It sort of circles around, and you'll see these chords a zillion times in a zillion songs. So try and work on that motion. E minor, G, D, and A, and keep going with that. Now then the bridge part, which then goes into the chorus, it's the same pattern, going, and I find it kind of funny, find it kind of sad. That's going E minor and A, back and forth. Find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. Now then, we stay on that pattern, and then it goes into E minor A, then it goes back. Back to your E minor, G, D and A. So yes, it's a 4-chord song, but there's a couple of patterns to it. E minor, G, D, A, and then back and forth E minor, A to the chorus. Don't forget to ask, and if there's any songs that you would like me to teach that I haven't taught here on my YouTube channel, which I'd like you to subscribe to, please let me know. Now, okay, go away and as ever, have fun with that. And as I said earlier, if you want to give us a thanks, hit the button below. Okay, see you again soon for another tutorial.